Morning, I'm Jay Sharma. I'm a BTech CSE student and my institution is ACET. For me, virtual and real both hold equal importance in my life, as what virtual lacks or what my virtual personality lacks is covered up by my real personality and vice versa. Let us just say that in reality, I am not that outgoing as I am in the virtual world. So it is easy for me to make relationships or to make friends rather in the virtual world and then carry them out on a realistic level. So for me, these both hold an equal and yet a very important.
Hi, my name is Jyoti. I'm MA Clinical first semester student studying at IIPS, MIT University, Noida. So as per my opinion, I think both the things have their own significance. Real relationship virtue is important because we meet in person, and the warmth which we get when we meet a person is much more than what we have in distance or virtual relationship. But on the same hand, I think virtual relationship is also very important. The reason behind this is that we are getting disconnected because someone is getting transferred to somewhere or the other. So at times we get disconnected from our friends and relatives. So Facebook and WhatsApp has played a very important role. Though it cannot take the place of in-person meeting, but definitely you are in touch at least. Thank you.
Hi guys, my name is Harsh, and about the fact that real or virtual relationship, which one is better, I would rather go with real relationships, as basically the physical presence of your partner makes you happy. The kind of sharing that you can do, the emotions that you can share, that can only happen when the person is right in front of you, rather than on any social networking sites. So, thank you.
Good morning. We are from Psychology Department. My name is Sanchali.
And my name is Tanushree.
I support real relationships because through my experiences I have seen that you see the person, you're able to judge the person through his body experiences.
Understand someone very well when it's a real image, you know likes, dislikes, and also you come to know the in-depth personality of a person if it's a real image. And virtually, like, okay, you
don't know the
but
person.
Exactly, you don't know what is there in the person, like how the person is in its inner self-image. You are not able to identify properly if it's a virtual image.
And you won't be able to judge what he is trying to say. His emotions cannot be judged through social networking chats and all.
And there might be occurrence of misunderstandings also.
Exactly, because the emotions is well understood when you see the person.
Yeah, and when you interact with it personally, like in person, when you meet each other. Thank you.
I'm Sanjeev Khanna. I'm also doing on study leave at MIT Business School, doing MBA in Transportation and Logistics. I feel that the actual relationship, the real relationship, is the one to have nowadays because it has its own advantages. It has a better connect. You understand your relation with the person that you're connected to better. You're able to exchange each other along with emotions. And you're able to understand the body language is more clearer. It doesn't have to be only by the telecommunication on the computers or otherwise.
Yeah, I'm Sachin Verti. I'm also pursuing my MBA in Transport and Logistics from the Amity Business School. And I also believe that you should have real relationships rather than virtual ones. Virtual ones can replace a real relationship if you have no other option. But if given a choice, a real relationship can never be replaced, and I think that is what one must endeavor to do and pursue.
Hey guys, so my name is Naman. I'm in ACET, I'm doing BTech. I would prefer a real relationship over a virtual one because you can have an emotional connection with your partner or your companion, and there's no chance of you being left out as a real person because you can always feel that sense that someone is beside you. You can always talk to them and have a personal connection with them that isn't fake. So because in the virtual relationship there's you cannot get that emotional sense from a person if he is she is or he is sad or happy. You cannot get it. It works on it works on emojis and there are other things also. But I think a real relationship is a way better option than a virtual one.